Bruh. Bruh. Bruh.
Hey, traders. Welcome to the stream. Happy Tuesday. I don't know how we start in the stream. Should we start with XRP? Nah, definitely not. We're definitely starting with Bitcoin, like normal, because it's doing something extremely interesting. Very good. You know, some people will be like, "Oh man, that's a Head and Shoulders, man." No, it's not actually. Not Head and Shoulders. It could be a potential Head and Shoulders, where we're hitting that, you know, possibly that same resistance from December 17th and December 17th, right? Two different times we touched it, horizontal line resistance. You just went up and tested that before you saw my face on screen. But interesting, a nice convenient pump on our regularly scheduled stream time. If you break that, man, I think you're going. I think you'll break the previous highs, and I think you'll go on to 25, 26K. Like the oscillator a little bit. I like the MACD histogram. That you know, you haven't seen positive Momo in a few days. Just been consolidating, and I really like this predictable looking pattern from a different time in history, which it's uncanny. If you're a patron, you know what I'm talking about. I don't know, we think we had notification issues or something. Oh, it popped up. So yeah, good news, right? On the 4 hour, looking fine. Looking actually okay. Daily, even better. A bullish engulfing candle is 52 minutes away from being painted. 52, chat. All right? 2 days of selling, now we're engulfing. What if we get follow-through price action off that, man? I'm saying, dude, the 1414 fib extension. Well, first, I guess 24,453. Whenever technically touched it. All right, 25K psychological resistance. Right, the fives and the zeros. You break 25K. I think the 1414 at 26,833 would be an adequate target there. But so far, the upsloping resistance or the supply line of the structure here has been respected. And you could respect it again. I mean, that's like 24,727. It'd be all-time highs if it tested it anytime soon. Again, I don't know. You were overbought on the daily to get out of overbought territory, only so you get overbought again. So it's really follow price action here is pretty important. You know, this could go up to the 80s, right? This could go higher than it was at before.
Peace.
What's up, Dow Jones man? Thanks for the $5. Oops, forgot to refresh my cache. Got a different overlay up just because of the Great Conjunction. Y'all see it last night? Anyone? It's pretty cool.
Hey, Mitch, can we take a gander at FB and his ABC stuff on the daily?
Facebook, Master Chef.
Is that a join?
Thanks, dude. Yeah, we can look at Facebook. What happened? What the heck? Refresh cache. There we go. So Bitcoin on the daily looks great. Showing an engulfing candle. 4 hour looks pretty good. Well, let me show you this though. All right, you just bear with me. I'm going to 60 minute here. This is what I did for patrons. I'm gonna do it again. All right. This will take a minute. Gotta go tripping through time, chat. May of 2019. All right, right here. The amount of similarities in structure is uncanny. Right here. I mean, like they're almost identical. The only difference was down here. This major sell-off. Then it created the base around $7,500. You know, instead of the insane move down, you had one base be created right here. Okay, and then you got another test there. All right. He ran up and then three tops, right? Three peaks. In the middle one, right, happened to be that the high one, right? Just like here. And then, you know, it tended to throw out one more time on the up thrust, and then you dumped. Okay. One low, maybe a second low. Same thing you were showing back here in May of 2019, and you can clearly see what the outcome ended up being. That was the buying climax, 14K almost, 13,868. Okay, dude. I mean, is history going to repeat itself? Are these same bots in this really, really bullish trend? Are they painting the same picture? Bob Ross? We're going to find out. We're butting up against it. We're butting up against the resistance. We, you know, in May of 2019, when it tested that top, it didn't sell off any. It spent no time. Once it broke it, it was gone, dude. So let us see how this goes. I just wanted you to know, right? I mean, this is like kind of my thing. It's supposed to be like showing you stuff like this because I mean, I cover this chart every day. And so this is just, it reminded me so much of this. Not a head and shoulders. People here even, I remember people tipping, being like, is it a head and shoulders on Bitcoin? Is it screwed? I'm like, I don't know, man. You're showing like classic bullish divergence here. You're in the uptrend. I mean, like, you know, you're staying above that 200 moving average. So to me, it looks bullish. It looks fine. And it's looking great on the daily now again. But maybe other people would be doom and glooming and saying no. So good for them. They got their opinion. I've got mine, I guess. So if you enjoyed that little comparative analysis, hit that like button, that bell, that sub, as Bitcoin is knocking on heaven's door. Yes, it is. It's knocking, chat. Hello?
Bruh.
I'll add a little alert here. You break this, man. It's off. It's going to be up to 24.2 again real fast. And our beeps. Get the beeps in the chat.
No hummus.
What's up, Moonboy? Oh my god, XRP Moonboy. Thanks for the threes, dude. So we can, is it time? Should we gander? Does anyone not want me to look at XRP first? We'll give it a couple seconds. Just kidding. You know. Alright, man, let's go.
Can I get an inverse look at XRP? Targets?
Oh, it's bad, dude. I have no idea. It's hard to touch something like this with, I mean, they have real issues right now. Here's your inverse chart. Doesn't look good to me. Consecutive higher lows. That looks really bullish. Consecutive lower highs. Chat. It's distribution, classic distribution, not so good. I mean, there's no support horizontally till about 34 to 35 cents. You've known that, though. It broke 43 cents and just started falling apart. So, and this is the thing. It's only down 14.64% because Bitcoin's having a really good day. Imagine if Bitcoin sold off today. This thing would already be at 34 cents. Okay, so just, I don't know, man. Anyone in the XRP community saying that this is bad or this isn't bad, this is no big deal, is delusional. Okay, it is bad. It's real bad. And enjoy just watching your asset depreciate in value off this news. While Bitcoin is at 23,775 at its highest high of like the day. Right now as I'm speaking to you.
May we take a look at ZB1? No rush. Bullish convergence on 1D going into the creek. Weekly hidden bold div. The things dreams are made of, huh? Smile, any red flags?
Is that a joint?
Did it have the makings of a varsity athlete? King, thank you, dude, for the 420. So I mean, what do you even do here? It's back in the channel, man. It's back in the channel. It's testing that low from December 15th, and again, I mean, the target's 34.8 cents. All right, not good, right? It broke that little support a little earlier from November 26th, and it's still below it. And it's only rallying right now because Bitcoin's, again, hitting its session highs, you could say. Yeah. Sorry, man. There's just not much more to it. The news came out, and then today, like, you know, the press release came out, sec.gov. Yeah, Securities Exchange Commission announced today that it has filed an action against Ripple Labs Incorporated and two of its executives who are also significant security holders, alleging that they raised over $1.3 billion through an unregistered ongoing digital asset securities offering. So that's it, man. Right? That as soon as that broke, XRP's price continued to plummet. So yes, it's rallying back up because Bitcoin, not because XRP is somehow amazing or, oh, this is the dip, man. I swear there is so much delusion out there. If you go to certain live chats and you just read, it is bad.
$21.98. High for SEC. 50.000000 XRP.
Why would you do this to me, man? Why would you tip me XRP, Lil Nate? Thanks for the, oh, I'm buying the dip, man. Thanks for the $22 pretty much of XRP. Wow, what a disrespectful tip, right, Catterday? Yeah, that's it, dude. That's the word. If you tip me XRP this stream, you're disrespecting me, man. All right? That's it. It was down like 20% earlier. Okay, let's go to Ethereum. Rising wedge ish. Okay, well, rising wedges can break to the upside too. All right, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. And it's just going to rally the Bitcoin. Hidden bullish divergence still pretty real. I mean, just from this low, it doesn't matter. Either it's this low or this low, you're still making hidden bullish divergence. So it's kind of undeniable. There's impending price action, continuation the upside. You're near that 200 moving average again. And if Bitcoin breaks out here, Ethereum's going up back to test $600+ or 667 or so. That's going to happen, man. You're about to go positive on the 4-hour histogram, which is great. You hadn't seen positive Momo since December 18th. So the bulls could be getting the ball soon. Depends on Bitcoin. It always does. All these altcoins depend on Bitcoin or the SEC not suing you, right? Guess we have to put that in the disclaimer now. Yeah. All right. Ethereum engulfing on the daily too? Nah, no engulfing candle for X or for Ethereum. Good God, man. Gotta get it together. Yeah, you don't get an engulfing candle on Ethereum unless it closes in 41 minutes above 638. And it's a lot of work to do to get there. But again, you know, if it doesn't engulf, but Bitcoin does, and then Bitcoin gets follow through price action off its own engulfing candle, Ethereum's going to rally too. So, wow, big surprise, right? All right, Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Litecoin. Is it engulfing? Nope, not yet. It would have to go up to 114.60 to engulf. It's working on it. It's up 8.2% right now. And remember, from that high point to low point, high up here from June of 2019 to the lowest point, the COVID crash low, you're hitting a 786 retrace, the deep retrace. Hey, you reversed at the 786, but now look what's happening. All right, what is happening now? You're catching bids because Bitcoin is. And I think if Bitcoin breaks to all-time highs off this, I mean, you're so close to breakout, man, on Bitcoin. If it breaks out and starts running, I think Litecoin's eventually going to see 131, but really eventually 137, where traders settled up back in June of 2019. So it's just going to do what Bitcoin does. So you're all praying for Bitcoin. Oh my God, dude, what's happening? All right. 4 hour, how's that looking? I mean, off the Gartley, that's pretty freaking good, man. Same thing, right? Same thing. Very nice hidden bullish divergence going on. I mean, very clear and concise bullish divergence on the MACD on 4 hour. Right? I mean, there it is. It's going positive, or it's going to neutral to positive. And that means follow through, man, would take you back to 52-week highs, the 121s. You're back above 106.69. I think that's pretty important. And yeah, it's like everyone would be like, oh, it's a head and shoulders. I mean, it could be, right? It all depends. If Bitcoin doesn't catch bids at near that left shoulder and creates a right shoulder, yeah, you might be in a little trouble. Kind of really tough to see where the neckline might be here, right? It's kind of tough, but looks a little bit like that. But I don't know, man. To me, it reminds me of May of 2019, where the untrained eye is just going to be like, oh yeah, dude, it's a head and shoulders. It's all over for Bitcoin. Just not sold on it. I'm not sold on a head and shoulders yet on Bitcoin. It's like indiscernible. You can't even see it even halfway or a quarter on the daily, right?
Can you talk about Grayscale RSI in comparison to ETH on chart? It seems like all the Grayscale products outperform their crypto equal.
What's up, Matt? 2 times. Thanks for the 10 super chat. Yeah, we can look at Ethereum E, Grayscale's Ethereum Trust. Check here. Thanks for the 1,150 tuned in. If you're enjoying the live stream, like button, the bell, sub. We do need to look at a request. Futures.
XRP is devaluing faster than a Neiman Marcus edition Maserati. The conjunction was awesome to see. Emo the BTC dip will come later than expected.
Yeah, it was, man. You could see like this guy on YouTube streams like with his telescope, or like, yeah, his high-powered telescope, and he's streaming it, so you're like getting to see it all happen. Like you can see Saturn like for real, and I don't know, it was cool to get to see that. Thank you, man. Yeah, conjunction. It's still going on right now, but it's like, you would think it was at its peak last night. Kind of an interesting chart here, like really interesting chart on the T-bond futures, at least in the weekly. Like it's just lifespan. Look at the way I anchored here for the channel. Really nice how it ran up and hit the top again. And what did it do? Reversed. Hit the 2618, and it's just selling off. So what were you asking about it? No rush, bullish convergence on daily into the creek. Weekly hidden bullish divergence. Well, yeah, I mean, there's certainly some hidden bullish divergence going on the oscillators on the weekly. Yep. But it's so high. You know, look at where it is in correlation to its big uptrend. It's almost like scuffed cup with handle, man. You handling. So weekly's there. Yep.
How about a spin? I don't care if it lands on Chuck, just want to see something that performs better than XRP.
Oh, dang, dude. Shots fired. Yeah, I guess so. I mean, I'll just add it to, if it landed on Chuck, I'd add it to the debt. I don't owe anything, I don't think, right now. But nah, I'm safe anyway. We knew it wasn't gonna land on Chuck. Come on.
Bruh.
Just kidding. Thank you, dude, for the 10. So really tough. I mean, like, that weekly is good. Is there a demand line? Oh my goodness, look at that demand line there being tested with the hidden bullish divergence of the weekly. All right, all right. Maybe we're cooking here. Oh. Good. Yeah, it's like if you're talking about a range here, it's like in the middle of a range, you know, kind of. Just between like I mean, really, it's kind of just like right here. All right, that's your range, 167, 184. You're testing that demand line. You were making, I guess you had, it's really tough here on the daily to discern if you could call it divergence. Now you're making higher lows. I mean, the demand line's being held here, and the weekly is implying continuation of the upside. So yeah, maybe. I mean, maybe. And I think the problem is, like, where do you size up your risk here? Do you have a stop just below 169, that local low, or do you know, I think like the safest stop would be below 167, right? Because you tested that once. But look, think about like 95% retrace here. And another way to look at it, it's kind of like more local range right here. Right? If that's the case, you're just kind of at the bottom of maybe a range. And yeah, the upside would take you to 183. I don't think you would be don't think you would be settling for anything lower than 183 if we're talking about a range-bound trade, right? You're at the bottom of the range, you're showing weekly hidden bullish divergence, and you're hitting a demand line. You're holding demand line for now, so a safe bet would just be, yeah, this is a lower risk area for a long, at least zoomed in, right? Maybe not so much out, zoomed out, but like zoomed in. Yeah, it could be. You got an argument, man. That's what counts. Thank you, dude. Yeah, Ethereum E. OTC. It's ridiculous, man. It really, really is ridiculous. And it broke a major, well, not major, it just broke somewhat of a resistance today. Well, why is that there? Was it the weekly or something? No? Not sure why I have this here. Maybe it was a local high or something. But it really shouldn't be there. The way the daily and the, it might have been a 4-hour touch or something. But if you look at the weekly here, that is exactly where traders settled up their highest point in June of this year. That's where you tested and you pulled back there. So if you ever break that, well, I mean, you got the wick, probably gonna test that, but above that, man, there's nothing. I don't think there's anything till $40, and I don't even see it on the weekly. It doesn't exist on the weekly. Look at the daily. Not even, what in the world is going on? Where am I looking at this? I have no idea. $40. I don't know. I have no idea what the heck's going on. Why that's there. Taking crazy pills, man. So it's like, why is it, what?
Kings never even thought to check log charts. This is why you're the man. Fueler.
So Bon King, thanks for 3s. Was it in log? I don't think it was in log there. Really liking this music set too. Listened to it today and I was like, dang, man. All right, finally. So the question was about Ethereum. RSI in comparison to the Ethereum chart. RSI. You're talking about the daily RSI is sitting at 79.76. Ethereum's daily RSI is at 58.5. It's just showing people in the traditional market are buying this asset. They're not buying spot price Ethereum. They're just buying Grayscale. It's easier for them. They don't have to open up a crypto exchange. They don't have to get hacked. They feel safer this way. So let them feel safe buying Ethereum to E, even with the crazy premium on these assets. You only get a certain amount of exposure to it directly to Ethereum. So I got 30 minutes, chat, until your daily candle close.
Bruh.
I heard that stimulus bill was gonna, well, they were gonna donate $100 million to the XRP relief fund or something, along with Sudan and Ukraine and Pakistan. Great. Let's go, David, man. Let's go. That should have been on the thumbnail.
Is this your homework? VSTO? Great analysis of it, thanks,
Is
bro.
this your homework, Larry?
Yeah, we'll look at that. Holy crap. That thing exploded. And it was just yesterday. We looked at the Vista of the views. We got Vistas and we got views of the Vistas.
Bruh.
So I don't know. I mean, I think if you break the 2476 area, you're going to 2884. It really is people buying Ethereum E. They're not buying Ethereum. Like, I think that might be the correlation on why price just keeps going like that. Guess what? GBTC is the same. Bitcoin sold off, right? I had that dump from 24K all the way down to a low point at one point of 21,900, and GBTC on yesterday closed at its highest level of the entire run. So it doesn't make much sense. It's like if it followed spot exactly the same, then it would have dumped too. It didn't.
FB tanks, man.
Oh yeah, my bad, dude. God, what am I doing? Sorry. Thanks for 3s. Man, just understand it's not me doing it on purpose. Yeah, you're just Facebook here. You're just up at that lower highs, And consecutive lower highs at a gold mean ratio from the high to low of the really textbook bullish cipher. It was the Jesus, man. So now, what do we got, man? Probably got a channel that starts right around this area. You were in a range, you broke the range. Are we in a new range now or something? Like right here? How do we plot it like that? That's all you can do up here at these levels. I mean, like, right, where's support? There's nothing looking left. It's all-time highs and stuff. So you got higher lows and lower highs. What is that? Simple price contraction. You got a demand line right here that it broke. It broke the demand line literally today. Today of all days. So, I mean, of course you can just pivot and rally here, but at this point, I mean, all you have are like local lows. That's it. So you got like a local low here at 260. If you break that, you're going to 247, the bottom of the range. You break that, you're going to fill a gap right here at 234. So not looking that great. I mean, like, Microsoft looks better than Facebook. Microsoft like was looking similar. I think Amazon was looking similar. They all looked kind of, those big tech names were all looking kind of the same a little bit. And then they just started decoupling from each other. And I think things kind of killed Facebook on the antitrust lawsuit, right? 48 states. Get wrecked, Zuckerberg. Don't censor people, man.
It's
Bruh.
China to me. China.
Vechain's doing Christmas things. Can we look at KNX dollar?
What's up, Black Plasma? Glad to have you, man. And thanks for the sailboats. The sailboats. Bitcoin 23,715. 27 minutes till your daily candle close. Bueller. Okay. The Vista of the views. We got to, man. Obligatory. Beautiful. I mean, just, God, it was so good, right? So good. Up 22% today. Broke all resistance. The pseudo ascending triangle where at a congestion area, right? You'd broken it. You were holding. 3 different times. You held this area. So it was only a matter of time. You had even broken back above the top and then bullishly engulfed yesterday. Bullish Mara Bazoo engulfing candle. And look at the fall through a gap up on tons of volume. And what was going on the freaking oscillator? What was identified? Hidden bullish divergence and pending price action continuation to the upside implied. And you got it. You got it.
Oh, would you look at that?
Bruh.
So all resistance broken. I mean, I get it. $29 could be an area, but above that, man, the gap fills at $37.75. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if you saw $37.75 in the coming months. That's just IMO. This thing, remember, back ordered over $1 billion on ammunition. Right? There's so much demand for ammunition, American citizens, that they have $1 billion backwards. I just don't think people understand how significant that is and how bad it is. We're reaching levels of polarization in the political climate that we haven't seen since 1860, for sure. I mean, really. 29.10, 37.75, fantastic.
Bruh.
Oh, I think there were warnings on this. Tons of warnings on Vista of the views. Nice view up here. And we got 24 minutes till a bullish engulfing candle is confirmed on Bitcoin. An extremely, extremely good candle to see. I'm telling you, man. I don't think some of y'all understand what's happening. Bitcoin took 48 hours of just selling off, and now it's engulfing, and It's just barely ever bought. The fuel that Bitcoin has on the daily time scale is extreme. There's tons of rocket fuel, tackling fuel. Yeah, we need to look at Mara and Riot that killed it even more so than Vista today. Good God. Riot blockchain. It's gone, man. That what's so fascinating about this is, well, I mean, there's a gap fill. The target's upon you. You definitely have a target upon you on Riot here, blockchain. Remember, we tell you the stepping stones. If you break one area, where you go to the next one. If you break this one, where do you go in the next one? That's the target. 1721 gap fill. Goes back to February 2018. Broke that. Yeah, they broke that 972. And kind of tough. Like, what is? I think it's like right here. Right here. Yeah, I plotted this on my other chart. Right there. 1606. Right. Trader set it up June of 2012. Look at this low 2012. January 2013. Look at this price action correlation at that point, September 2013. Look even here, October 2013. Look here, April 2014. Look at this, man. January 2015. That's it. I mean, the X marks the spot, $16. I mean, you almost touched it. You didn't yet. I think you really would hit it. But this is something to do with their mining hash rate or something was really good. Also, the fact that Bitcoin's up almost 5% today is always great for these assets. Crypto exposed assets. This one's even more insane, right? Mara. I mean, there is absolutely no resistance, dude. I mean, you tell me. No resistance till like $20. Oh, look left. What is it, dude? What is looking left? There's nothing here till $20. Well, it's like we knew, like, once you kind of broke this area where it could start going. Here we go. $23,780. Bitcoin's at session highs as I'm speaking to you, as you're breathing. Chat. Very good stuff going on in crypto. Lots of buy orders coming in. Shorts getting liquidated right now. Here we go, man. About to test 20. There it is, $23,800. Ethereum, the altcoins, the blebs, right? Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash. Normally, you know, I mean, like, those three correlate to Bitcoin pretty well. I mean, Bitcoin Cash did get wrecked yesterday. But yeah, Litecoin's up 9% now. Ethereum's up 4.49%. XRP is down 13%. Only down 13% because Bitcoin's pumping right now. That's it. So for you to think, oh my God, this is the bottom for XRP. I mean, hey, it could be, but it's not because XRP is worth a crap as a utility token. No, it's just catching indirect positive effect from Bitcoin. Go revisit that 4 hour. We've already looked at Litecoin, so what more do you want? Sorry you missed it, but hey, I provide the amenity of DVR. You can rewind the stream. Look at this, trying so hard here, chat, to break this high. I think this is the top of the range. I get it. You got the local highs here, but this was where it was created, right? That when you see me look at a chart I've never looked at before, and we go look left and we go back to history, where do I plot my anchor points? Not the top always. It's not always the top. Sometimes there is price action that is created before that top is in. And that's it, because then after that is manufactured resistance. And so after that fact, you then have price action correlation to that initial manufactured resistance. You see what I'm saying? And that's exactly what we're testing right now. And we haven't broken it. We're trying, but we're not, you just haven't caught the bids to actually do it yet. And maybe we would, right? Range bound, but knocking on the top of the range, man. What's up, suit, man? Watch the suit. My God. Let us take a gander at total market cap, and then we'll look at Bitcoin's market cap. Okay, total market cap 647.35 billion. I mean, you're above that high from 623. It's important. Right, that peak back from December 18, 2017. You're above that and you're holding it at support. So you think the next target eventually 692. 692, man. Hidden divergence played out like the Jesus. And you're not overbought anymore. So maybe you're not overbought to become overbought again. That in time, or that oftentimes happens in bullish conditions. All right. Let me see. I can't remember. Did I do it on this screen or was it the other one? Come on. Hopefully I did it on this one. Nice. Okay, I did. So this is Bitcoin's market cap, man. Total market cap, all-time highs from 2017 was $335 billion. As you can see, you broke it, then you back tested it as support for the first and second time ever right here in early December. Look left. What is that? All you need to see right there, man. So it did exactly what you want it to do. The spring, the back test of the spring like the Jesus, that was a trade setup too. And where is it now? It's at the top. A supply line of the ascending broadening wedge. And it's $441.85 billion market cap. That's Bitcoin, man. I mean, are you kidding me? I mean, I'm sorry if you're new here, but on my birthday, you hear me? On my effing birthday, Bitcoin was $209 billion market cap. It has over doubled in market cap since I turned 33 years old. October 17th. That is ridiculous, man. How much money has entered this space? Good God. And then 2 days after my birthday was the PayPal mass adoption news. So what a good one. So yeah, I mean, the argument for the hidden bullish divergence is very real. It's there. I mean, look, there's a low here. It doesn't matter. Well, I guess it does in this situation. But even if on the MACD histogram, it's only, is this the low? You can see the red histogram or this one. It doesn't matter in that situation. So that is impending price action, continuation of the upside implied on the Bitcoin market cap. Just Bitcoin, not total. This is only Bitcoin here, okay? Another one we need to look at. Oh, this is huge, dude. I mean, this is a big time. This is the highest high you've seen since May, continuing. Right, this was earlier, but now it's Bitcoin dominance chart. Right, it broken out of the structure. Right, it failed the first time, then dumped one more time to. Oh my God! Let's go KNC.
Hype in the chat!
I must pump you, KNC, man. Patrons, you there? Bueller. So we'll look at it. But it's trying to break through this little high from March and May. Right? Highest level since May. So it's been many months, man. If you break this, you're going to 70% dominance. You get that, right? I mean, that's most likely what's going to happen. Like, you up thrusted 2 times here and failed. I think that's the target, man. I think 70% market cap's the target if you hit if you break 68%. All right, beautiful. Remember, it started with that inverse head and shoulder somehow. What? We've got 15 minutes chat. Very interesting things are occurring right now. And they're not bad. They're not bad developments that are occurring. They're just not. Well, at least for Bitcoin. All right, let's take a look at KNC. What's happening over there? All right, man. Getting to show some life. All right. Daily hidden bullish divergence. PCZ of a bullish shark on the 4-hour. Just happens to be at a very critical ice line. I'm talking it's so critical that if you break it for real, you're going down to 69 cents. You're going to get obliterated. So very easy to manage your risk in this situation. Yes. So you're just praying for Bitcoin to be a king, outperform everything, and maybe KNC will be given some tendies because it'll just, what is it? Rising tide lifts all ships. The KNC spaceship, right? We cool? I'm add another alert here. So if we break another little local high, I'm gonna hear another beep and we're gonna be excited again. Thanks, Louis, for the 269 super chat. So another thing going on Monero, it seems like we're getting more price at good. The higher Bitcoin goes, the better. This is gonna this is outperforming almost every altcoin, Monero, almost every single one, dude. Like you can't, it's impossible to argue with too. All right, this is all that's going on Monero. You gotta love it. It broke out of the broadening top, and it hit almost the golden mean ratio, and it sold off, and now it's back testing the old supply line as a demand line, bullishly engulfing. Very good, not overbought on the daily, sitting at 61 really. Upside potential, it seems immense here, where you would see 176, and if you ever broke that, you're going to 197 to $200 on Monero. Why is $200 not crazy? Because you go to the monthly, you zoom out, and you see how incredible it is. This is beautiful, man. This is it. This is what Ethereum looked like, and Ethereum hit its target. It hit its 100% measure move. Why could Monero not hit its 100% measure move, 205? Just wondering, man. Sorry, things going on. Monero, dude, is king. It's technically one of the most powerful looking charts in all of crypto, and that's been the case. That hasn't changed, man. This has been outperforming mostly everything lately, past couple months. Let's look at Dash that had the bullish Gartley. It didn't have an edge there. Didn't have an edge, but my God, it was the Jesus Gartley. Perfect. 61.8% retrace. 786. The 786 was perfectly lined up with the historical support resistance from history. April of 2020.
Is that a joint?
From there, it's run and it's hit both targets. You just can't make this up. You cannot make this up, dude. Need I show it? I mean, I can. That's gotta happen. It's fine. Here it is. I mean, this is like, hey, man, showing that you can learn how to identify bullish Gartleys, man. Look, you see what it did, right? 1 and 2. Here it is, man. This was posted the 12th. On the 10 days ago, this Gartley was identified for patrons. Everyone that was a patron was pinged and notified of this Gartley at a critical ice line. Okay. Look, 110 and $118 were the targets. They were there. And it's done, dude. It's done. Played out. And then it dumped after it hit the second target. Unbelievable. Or extremely believable, because people take profit at those levels. But the good news is, holding $98. Look, you sprung. You're back testing another critical area. $98, man. I don't know. I mean, it's somewhat of a reversal area. Traders settled up back here in September 2019. So you staying above that. Look where it's at, right at this high from August 6th of this year. I think if it breaks that, I think it's going right back up to 118 and then probably 120. Okay, it's holding. No edge on the 4 hour. There wasn't an edge on the oscillators here either, though. There ended up being hidden bearish divergence, but just kept making higher lows, got back above the 200 moving average, and just went, man. It's beautiful. Zill's been outperforming everything. Zill has been doing well, yeah, as well as Theta now. Theta killing it, dude. Theta was, all that to do was just hold above a critical area. Alright, what was that critical area? It was 59 cents. It held above it long enough. Right, you got chop, all kinds of chop, man. But eventually all the targets were hit and exceeded. We're hit a high today of $1.12 and broke $1 for the first time ever last night. It's beautiful, dude. Beautiful. This is what we look for, though. Right? It just held above this 59-cent high multiple times. As long as it held above that long enough, it was going to go up, and it did. And it's, you know, next target could very well be 123, like that number. A good song, man. Right, we got 8 minutes, chat. Bitcoin's looking okay. It's looking what already? What are you talking about? The engulfing candle is upon us. The bug is also upon us on TradingView. I wish they would fix that. I don't think they can. Well, let me refresh. Okay, F5 connect. Let's look at futures real quick that are doing okay. You know, the index funds, NASDAQ top right. It's up 0.08%, S&P 500 up 0.14%, Dow Jones Mini Futures bottom left 0.18% on the new day. You know, reopened 52 minutes ago. It temporarily closes a couple times after the closing bell, 4 p.m.
Mitch,
Eastern.
Can you take a look at Kati when you get a chance? Thanks.
What's up, Kelsey? Look at Cody. It's been a minute, yeah. We can try to. Well, it's looking interesting. Had a really nice day today, up 6.77%. If we're talking, you know, you're in the golden zone, right? You went almost 50% retrace before you pulled back, but the pullback was so mild, and now look at the hidden bullish divergence. Holy crap on this daily. You see this, Kelsey? That's pretty insane right there.
I've been watching you the last 6 months. You're awesome, man. You've done a lot of good for people. What do you think of Cleanspark?
What's up, Jerry? Thank you for the 10, and thank you for the support watching me past 6 months, dude. Hopefully you've been investing in yourself, taking something out of it, right? Thank you, man. Cleanspark, we can take a gander. Not really sure it's out of stock. We'll look, dude. 6 minutes till your daily close. Bitcoin is knocking on the door. It's actually technically right now breaking out. It's breaking that manufactured local high from the 17th. All right. Hold on a sec. We're at session highs right now, chat. 5 minutes to go. We'll keep our eye on it. Don't worry, we got it. So, I mean, you're thinking $8 eventually, but if we're talking like real support resistance on Cody. Okay, just making sure. The gap fill would probably be the target, dude. The next target, for real. Strategic target, I guess you could say. The gap fills at 859, so I mean it's kind of not much data to say bull flag, right? Just maybe it's also just a rectangle too. That could definitely be what's going on, right? Very easy. I don't know. Like this. Got yourself a little rectangle, and you just hit the top of it, right? I don't know. You definitely had a big pullback right there. That's what I'm talking about. It's almost like Bitcoin, right? Manufactured resistance was right there, and it's just run up to test that. So it's got to break that, man. If it does, I mean, I think it easily 859 gap fill. So that on the daily is extremely good. Hidden bullish divergence. Let's see if it can catch bids and keep going, right? this thing about to pop? It looks like it's about to pop, man. Where are the sellers? Where are the sellers when we're above a resistance? It's like a pop just straight up to 23,975. Seems possible. 4 minutes. So we're just gonna start the local on the 8s now, as we're getting some price action. It means, you know, it's not every day we get price action at the regularly scheduled stream time. We got it. Well, what's on the weekly, dude? Yeah, weekly's insane. It's just, who knows where this weekly candle is going to go in 5 days and 1 hour. I mean, who knows how big it could be. It already, you know, beginning of the week, 21,919. Nice wick down. So now it's the bull's turn. Let's see. If you closed right now, which you aren't, you'd be at the highest close of all time. So, yeah, weekly is nuclear on the RSI. I mean, you're sitting like 87 or something. Crazy high. But also, it's kind of, I mean, what do you do? Like, if the weekly's at 87, you know, and institutions just keep buying this up, and they're not stopping. And every day, it's like a new person is getting involved with Bitcoin, a new major institution. I mean, how can the RSI really be relevant on the weekly when that is happening? When the supplies that is finite is being absorbed? And people are, I mean, MicroStrategy spent, they paid extreme premium at $21,500-ish dollars. They paid so much money, $650 million. They averaged up like crazy, average up. And they're up big time already on that trade after the confirmed breakout. You got 2 minutes, 20 seconds till your daily close.
Bruh.
And a bullish engulfing candle is confirmed too, right? What is that? What did you say? The viewers must hit the like button or Bitcoin candle won't close where it needs to, Rory. Fortunately, that's not the case. That doesn't have to happen. So, but yeah, dude, I appreciate the 385 likes right now. But thanks for the 1,000, almost 1,400 people tuned in. As we are closing with tons of strength right now, it seems like. Right, here we go, chat. 23,827. Highest level of the run. Session highest. As I'm speaking to you. And before the beep, XRP is still down double digits. Yeah, the daily chart looks incredible right now. It does. 1 minute, chat. Running out the clock. While Bitcoin pumps. Up 4.88% today. $1,100. What's up, Renee? Thank you for watching all this time. Oh wow, Auburn hires Harsin from Boise State to be the next head football coach. All right. Sorry, Jimmy. Oh yeah, I gotta pin the Discord link. Yep. Join the Discord, by the way, if you haven't yet. 20 seconds, chat. Extremely strong candle close going on this daily. It's pretty nice, man. This is not an altcoin meta. This is not. All right, we did it, chat. New day has been born. Jesus chimes. And you technically broke out. You technically broke that manufactured high from December 17th. You did it with candle close. Look at it right there. Undeniable. So you probably backtest. You're going to correlate. Let's see if we can hold it as support now. All right, so the confirmation close candle. So now we need a backtest. We backtest, and then we could run. But you don't. I mean, you'll fall. You could fall below it, but eventually on the 4 hour, you want it to hold, right? So in 3 hours 59 minutes, You want the candle to close above the December 17th high. Okay? There's the beep on Bitcoin. Alright, chat. 23,856. Daily candle close. Confirmation of a bullish engulfing. So you're thinking probably 23,975 or so. Right? 23,950. Whatever. Hey song. I don't know, man. We need to be over 24K for the Hey song. I don't know if what this is gonna be up and down. It could go up a little bit and then dump back down to 23. I think you'd get a back test here for anything, right? I mean, maybe not, but it's just so close, right? That you'd think the bots would do that. Oh my God, my set's over. That was a great set, man. Bueller.
Dumb question, but SPWH was acquired by Cabela's company today with a cash buyout of $18 per so what is the downside to purchasing SPWH if the price is below $18? It's 17.668 TM. Thanks, bruh.
No idea, Dave McCoy. I don't know, man. Like that's a good question. What's the downside? The fact that it was at 1236 and today it's at 1766. So downside is tremendous, but Sportsman Warehouse Holdings, that's weird because it's like, did they sell ammunition as well? Dang, was this a falling wedge? Not really. It didn't look very good, man. It really, but hey, you know what? The triple MACD bullish divergence was there, but I mean, it's a news-driven catalyst. That's a breakaway gap probably, man. Just saying. So SPWH was acquired. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm not really sure, man. That's a good question. All I can do is look at the technicals for you and just let you know that you're very close to 52-week highs, if not all-time highs. Yeah, I think you're all-time highs here. So, you ever break that, pretty easy to target, right? Fibonacci. And there's that back test we were looking for. Figured that was going to happen, like, duh. So if it ever breaks all-time highs at 1848, 1850, $20, 21.45. Gold mean ratio is 22.92 up there. Pretty easy, man. This is now what could happen maybe one day is like you never back test it, of course, right? You could always back test $15, that high from September 2015 as support. I'm just not sure. Yeah, that's like the you don't want anything to do with SPWH below $15. And God, I just bought this because it's very, very amazing looking stuff right there. Triple MACD bullish divergence, almost implied something crazy is going to happen, I guess. And it did. Hit the 88% retrace at its highest level today and closed there too. Wow. Obvious little supply line broken there. You can always back test that too. Yep. Okay. Why did silver pull back? Risk on, dude. Risk on.
Why did silver pull back today?
Because the major resistance looking left, right? $26.18 is not a joke. But as long as you make a higher low than the previous low at 23.74, you'll be fine. Maybe you back test the breakout, the supply line breakout. But dude, that it's everything. If you can get back above 26.18, 26.07, you're in really good shape and you're gonna moon. Like it'll moon. Look, dude, price action correlation. is a straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, over and over and over. Okay, between $26 and $31, and really $35. So it's just there's supply there. There's obviously some form. There's just people selling there. So the selling has to be absorbed by buyers, enough of it to where, you know, all the supply is absorbed at $26 and change. And you break that, it's just gonna have a straight line, or it could have a very fast move up to $31 or at least $30 measured move. All right, that's why. Supply and demand. There's supply here still. That's it. It's okay. It was a little fake out. A little fake out. And here you go. You got Bitcoin 23,745. It's just testing this area, seeing what's going on with it. I mean, the MACD looks great here.
Hey Mitch, love your stuff. Can you check out Cyber for me? Thanks, bud.
What's up, Jason? Thanks for the 10, dude. Thank you for liking the stream, man. Kind words. Those kind words keep me going, man. Well, there's not much to look at anymore, right? It's kind of over now. Kind of over now. Last thing we looked at was an 886 retrace, though. Like the low to high, 88% retrace. Started rallying, it's gone, man. 11% up on the day, but it's, what is it up? Since you know, the 10th, it's up like 50%. Unreal, dude. In a couple weeks, up 50%, all-time highs. Wow. What happened, man? Right, there was that supply line. I broke it, no problem. You talk about momentum shifting stuff, right? I mean, you talk about a measured moves way up here in the 200s, but I think Fibonacci would be prudent here, conservative. Yeah, 127. See at 170, probably on Cyber if it keeps going. 170 is the 1272. The 1414 is 180, 192, and the gold mean ratio is 198. So $2 away from 200 psychological resistance, which is very possible. Okay, very, very overbought. The most overbought Cyber has been since the year of 2015. So multi-year highs on the RSI daily. Obviously, all-time highs on your daily MACD histogram. Wick. Whoa. High risk for a long right now, but maybe eventually a back test of 149 could happen. And if you could hold that long enough, that might be a re-entry, especially the oscillator's looking good there. Yeah, you always want to see a back test of an all-time high breakout to confirm the validity that what was once resistance became support. So market participants can add more, and then it runs again. Thank you, dude. I mean, there's just, you know, when you're looking at something like this, it's up so much. I mean, the swing trader, we're not looking for assets that are up so much like that. We're looking for assets that haven't yet mooned, right? Like Vista Outdoor was a great example of that. Like just yesterday, and today it's up 20-some%. So
Those on a moron.
what's up, dude? Thank you. I think I missed one. Cleanspark. Yeah, CLSK. I don't know. I've never looked at this before. Let's see. It's just another one where what can I even do here? What can you even do on Cleanspark? It's just gone. It's running away. It's up almost 18% today. So, again, I mean, my job is to help find an edge, and maybe there was an edge or something, but no one requested this. Yeah, there was bullish divergence on a double bottom. Dang, man, I wish you would have friggin' asked about this asset back in November, early November, when all the so many things were setting up for higher prices. Look at this, man. It was like the perfect combination of variables. Dang, man. Well, this is why I try to teach, so we have eyes on everything. Look, this is what a move up and then a double bottom with sellers being exhausted, at least one oscillator on the daily. That's it. I mean, that's it. That's what you're looking for. And then look at this little low right here back from August 2019. It's over. It's gone, dude. I mean, like, what, you're so many areas of chop now. Like, here's one high, and that above that's right here. So 26.06, kind of where you are, and then above that's $30.48. And then before that, I can't really tell. There was no liquidity back then. There's plenty of liquidity now. I mean, it's 5 million volume-ish. So, yeah. One bottom, add a nice line, and then the second bottom with sellers being exhausted on a daily time scale. And that's signified by the divergence of the histogram. That is a confirmation low. The one bottom, no one knows. But the second bottom, that's where traders say, wait a second, dude. This is second bottom, and sellers are exhausted. This is it. This is my time as a swing trader, position trader, investor to take my shot. This is where it's gone since then. Sorry, it's hindsight TA, but you're tipping me on an asset that's up 18%, you know, like in a day, and it's up much more since late October, early November. Jerry, you've been in since 8 because of me? Really? Here on this asset right here? CLSK? You applied the traditional technical analysis and it was respected? Is that what you're saying, dude? Dang, man. Been live an hour and 12 minutes or so. Good song. Always is. Let's go, Jerry. Very, very good, dude. I mean, that is fantastic.
Yes, you taught me that.
My man. Well, that's, you invested in yourself, so I'm glad I was able to be a positive influence in your life, but it was all you, man. All you. Thank you for listening. Give me a chance. You had to. Everyone in here had to give me a chance to listen to me. Is this guy full of crap, or does this guy know what he's talking about? You just gotta watch. You watch long enough, and that answer will be given to you, right? Beautiful, dude.
It's China to me. China.
Is Ledger still best choice for storing crypto?
Murdoch, I will defer to the chat. Live chat, answer that question. Is Ledger still the best choice for storing crypto after the massive leak? Incredible leak. Real bad. Dang, man, I didn't know a Dart Dragonite weighed 463 pounds and was 7'3". Sounds like an NFL prospect, right? For D lineman. People are saying yes, no, maybe so. Well, let's look at that daily bullish engulfing candle on Bitcoin again. It's very real. It's confirmed. Confirmed engulfing candle by far, not even close. So yeah, up and down. It doesn't have to just start mooning now, right? You got 24 hours of price action. Yeah, people are getting scam emails because their info got locked, right? That's it. So do your own diligence. Do your due diligence, whatever. D. Trisha, what are you going on about? Are you okay? Did you take your meds? Projecting. Here you go. Here's the Discord. Yeah, no crypto's taken. Just names were leaked. So it's like there's a list now, and if you're on it, everyone knows where you live, probably.
/BTC at 2,607, and I am sinking now with it because I had to take care of family matters. Do you see it reversing back up there and more by any chance? New to your show, but love it and do.
No idea, dude.
0.0044196 BTC.
No idea, man. Thank you for the 1048 Bitcoin. Thank you for crypto contribution. Love the crypto contributions, unless it's XRP. Then it's just disrespect. What's up? GTR to BTC. Where's GTR at? Why is GTR not on TradingView, chat? Shouldn't it be on TradingView? This got listed at Coinbase. Someone help me out here. Or is it GRT? Oh, it's GRT, right? He just messed up. Graph. That's what he's talking about. Oh, dude, I mean, like, you're talking about an asset. All right, you're asking me to apply traditional technical analysis. I mean, it looks like, I mean, right there, just a run up and a mild pullback, and it bullishly engulfed. It's not really going anywhere. Doesn't look too bad, but dude, there's no data. So how can I do anything? I can't even help you. Right? It broke the mini 60-minute supply line. Trying to hold it, I guess. Maybe it's not. I can't tell if it broke it or not. It's very close. So yeah, it's probably not a good idea to buy into an asset just because it gets listed to Coinbase. You gotta have a trading plan, man. You know, asking me, you know, like where you should buy or sell clearly shows to me that you do not have a trading plan. Therefore, you're doing it completely wrong. Right? Before you hit buy on an asset, one should know where they're entering and why, where their stop loss should be and why, and where they're going to exit and why. And then really, I mean, like, stop losses right after the bid, right after the purchase of the asset should be applied, right? The limit, the stop loss. So I don't know what's going to happen here. It just got listed like on 17th, man. Sergio, what are you talking about, man? Implying to buy Bitcoin or all-time highs? I'm not implying. I did a comparative analysis to May 2019 and now. And if you haven't noticed or anything, the meta is Bitcoins. This is Bitcoin's bull run. This is not altcoin's bull run.
Any price points the flag breaks its broadening wedge. And yeah, I'm placed right there in the bottom. How? All thanks to this community. Fist, heart, bless.
Pierre, thank you, dude, for the 1422 super chat. Olac, man. Olac. What a run, dude. Or what a break today, you know? Held that ice line. But wasn't this something we thought could happen on LAC? You know, wasn't it doing something? Can you remember? Diverging and... Yeah, I mean, all the divergence played out, man. Like... This is one that we've like pinged patrons and we'd seen on stream and it looked great, and look at it now, man. You know, today is up 21%, excuse me, 11:35, and you were saying what? If it breaks the broadening wedge, well, it's already, remember, dragon stuff. Alright, I mean, 1251 is your target, and then, I mean, above that, remember, there's like nothing. Yeah, I mean, you broke back above the resistance here too today. It's very important, very, very important, and it's a potential double bottom. I mean, just think about it, man. Like, measure principle from the low and high, and then you break out, right? From the breakout, this is a way to apply a target. Right there. Target would be 1581 on LAC. But it's got to break 1251, man. It's got to break it.
How much coke you use in real?
I don't know, person. Thanks for the money, though. 341 super chat. How much Coke do I use? I don't know. Drinker one coffee. Sorry, are you not used to high functioning members of society? Does it surprise you? Does it scare you? I'm sorry. But more projection though, right, on the drug stuff, the drug talk. That's it, dude. 1584. At this point, I mean, you could talk about like a little spawn dragon, you know, to help visualize. You broke that, right? You broke the dragon's spine. And now the tail. You're working on the tail. The tail is the price action after the breakout of the spine. There it is, man. Does it make sense? Thanks, dude. So Bitcoin just hanging out, 23,787, right at that manufactured resistance, man. It's trying to hold for now. Trying. And join the Discord if you haven't yet. Posting that right there. We doing this, man? Yeah, lots of tendies on the crypto-based equities, right? Yeah, Riot and Mara just killing it, man.
Bruh.
So I guess we're just waiting to see Bitcoin's breakout and backtest. Hold, right? So we've now done it. So now at any point, the longer this lasts, the probability could be coming higher. I mean, I guess like you need 3 hours 37 minutes to confirm a backtest here, right? Because it's testing now, it's succeeding, but it could fail, right? What if not enough bids come in and then it closes below it? So it's all about the ifs right now. It's always about, it's not the breakout itself, it's always about what? The follow through price action the asset receives after the breakout. And that is what we're looking at right now. We're looking at the price action correlation after the breakout, the confirmed 4-hour breakout. Daily bullish engulfing candle really helps the case here, and I love the way the MACD histogram looks right now. Beautiful. XRP on the new day is down 2%. Typical, not surprised. Yeah, when you get sued by the SEC, it's actually a really big deal. It's actually not trivial. But you might think it's trivial if you're a delusional moon boy for XRP and you drink the XRP Kool-Aid. Yeah, it is a big deal. Don't let anyone lie to you. It's not a joke. Like them getting sued by the SEC. All right? Not a joke. But go ahead and think it is or something, because someone told you it wasn't a big deal. Tim, I don't know what you mean, dude. Only in Discord. It's not going to show you as a patron in the live chat, unfortunately. Yep. That's true, Balapa. Very, very true. Please read the papers, man. Go back to the XRP echo chamber, dude. You know, like, I'm here for technical analysis, not for moon boy hopium, smoking hopium, dude. Next support on XRP at least 34 to 35 cents, and it only didn't go there because Bitcoin pumped. So you got lucky that you're dumping in a really bullish market for now. Yeah, Zcash still okay. Yeah, Tesla down bad, real bad. Down 10% and down like, it was the top or the worst performer on the S&P today, down 7.86% to close. I think it was the worst performer yesterday, so it's lost a lot. It has dumped since it got listed. It's a sell the news type of event. Definitely did. But if you look at the daily, it's beautiful, man. Like, look at this daily. The uptrend. You're just, like how you faked out. You tried to break out and you're back in. And you're just right between that 75, 100% trend line of the equidistant channel. Still very, very high. And man, you talk about bearish divergence. Whew. There is definitely some bearish divergence on the daily for Tesla at very high levels. Goodness. Sure, Sergio. But I mean, again, it's not about like hitting critical support only. It has to hit critical support. You're looking for a Volkowski pattern. You're looking for an edge like seller exhaustion. 3 peaks? Oh, you mean 3 drives then? It almost looks like a 4-hour 3 drive pattern, right?
It's China to me, China. China.
Can you look at the Boston Celtics and what their chances of winning banner number 18 are? Shamrock, crystal ball.
Basketball's going on right now. I guess it's back on, right? I don't really follow basketball. I don't know what the chances are of the Celtics winning banner number 18. Does that mean 18th World Championship or something? Thank you, man. I'm sorry. Tim, I already told you no. I answered earlier. I said no. So... yeah, it's weird. It's like there's the 3 drives pattern, so it's like 3 different peaks, the higher highs, right? And then you've got the 3 falling peaks, which are the consecutive lower highs, right? And they're both reversals to the downside. Pretty interesting. So the question is, when will be the next institution to announce that they're now going to be buying Bitcoin? Who's the last person it happened? I think the news broke today, right? Was it a Jeffries? Jeffries said they're going to buy more only if there's a significant dip and they already own some. God, man. I mean, seriously. Bitcoin's total, or just Bitcoin's market cap. It looks so pretty. I mean, it's like it is pretty much the Bitcoin price, but that bullish engulfing candle was so strong, man. Let's get some follow through price action and run up to $463+ billion. Reading, just hanging out, man. I've been live an hour and a half, so I mean the stream's good. We had a really good one, productive one today already. Gotta love that. Trisha, I'm sorry you're jealous.
This
You're
Justin Trump
continuing
needs
to
a
project
bill.
that you're a prostitute and you do drugs. Sorry about that. It goes in the chat for Patricia. Oh, it doesn't matter if the president vetoes the bill because of to me, the way the bill was written, 5,000 pages with all that aid going to other countries and stuff, talking like what? It almost looks like it was designed to be vetoed so that the narrative could be like, oh, Trump hates America or whatever. I mean, looking at that bill, man, 5,000 pages and all that money going to other countries when we need all the money we can get in America. Like it's a lose-lose, because now that's going to be spun like... it was a ridiculous bill. It was so stupid and didn't make sense. To me, anyway. $600? What is that going to do? Maybe I'm just crazy then, I guess, right? So, yeah, it seemed like it was designed to be a veto. So now it doesn't matter, though, if he vetoes it, because it's going to get passed. Because, like, you have to have a majority or something of the Senate and the House or whatever to... they will easily be able to overturn his veto from what I've read. So it doesn't matter what he does. You just gotta wonder, like, how did all those things get put in that bill. It's ridiculous. What happened? Oh, my chat broke. That's so weird. As soon as I start talking about that stuff, weird things going on. Jeez.
Fuel on breakout watch. I still remember 1/10 cent fuel.
$600 will be good enough to buy almost one Ethereum.
Almost. But not enough, dude. Whoa. Did anyone just see that price action on Bitcoin right there? What the heck? I'm not skilled in that much. That was pretty insane. Thank you, Still Bill and Harrison. T Fuel. That's Tackling Fuel. Run by Bobby Boucher. Tackling Fuel. Tackling Fuel. Broke out, back tested the breakout, man. It's pretty good. Yeah, look at it. This is T Fuel. Probably, you think hidden bullish divergence here? Kind of on the RSI. Kind of. I mean, argument could be made there at least. Not on the MACD, not even close. So, very little above you, I think, right? Yeah, I mean, that's it, right up here. That's the target if this holds. The breakout and the back test of the breakout and maybe impending price action continuation to the upside. T-Fuel had a bullish engulfing candle yesterday, just like Bitcoin. Target's 24 cents if it's going to run here. I mean, it's like accumulation, kind of sell wall, 24 cents the target. But you want nothing to do with T-Fuel below 15 cents. Nothing, dude. Nothing to do with it. All right? Easy. Something about racehorses too. Yeah, dude. It's like, what? Good to hear that most people understand and also are feeling the same way I do about that bill. That is absolutely absurd. It's insanity. It's actual insanity, and it seems like it's just designed to destroy America in ways, right? Just continue to print money. Why not, man? Let's just ruin the currency at an accelerated rate as fast as we can, so then the Federal Reserve can, and other central banks can create a new blend of currency. So then it's very easy to control everything in the world. Very easy. With the stroke of a pen, they can raise your interest rates if they want to individually, right? But hey, great for Bitcoin. I don't know. It's good for Bitcoin, I guess.
Sadly, the censorship is real. A lot of channels that share links to one another have been blocked from putting any hyperlinks in chat now. So, can only share channels to other channels in descriptions, and the pop-ups you got. It's garbage. Chain bleeding out.
Forest thinks the 1337. Yeah, we live in a pretty dystopian time. There needs to be some sort of reform to Section 2. They're not to obliterate it, not abolish it, but there needs to be a revision made. I mean, I think that is, no one could argue with that. Or just a revision. We already did riot, Scott. All-time highs tonight, Darren? I don't know about that, man. I mean, maybe. We could get the highest 4-hour candle close. Dude, all we're doing is we're just monitoring the breakout we just had. I mean, you think this is the breakout up here? Sure. But this was it, man. This was created before all this. All that happened was this price action correlated to this trend line here. You broke it, you back tested it, and now you're trying to rally here. No idea if there's going to be enough bids, but if this keeps up, 23,980, 24K, and then 21,495 after that, or 497, whatever it is. There you go, 24.2. One of the countries recently, just yesterday, I think, passed a bill, like Poland, that unless the law is being broken, like companies like can't like ban the speech or something. Kind of interesting look on how other countries are handling things, or how they're handling the overreach of tech oligarchs, for sure. What? Why would I get shut down for speaking the truth about a really messed up bill that is not benefiting Americans, benefiting foreign interests far more? How is that bannable, dude? And the money printing too. That's crazy. I guess it's on the okay to talk about list for now, but maybe the further we get into this crazy rabbit hole of insanity of money printing, maybe it won't be. Until something changes, right? Unless something changes, it'll eventually be off limits, like other things you can't talk about, right? Yeah, man, it's kind of crazy on Theta Fuel. Kind of crazy that on the daily it looks so incredible. Like, that's exactly what you look for on breakouts, on daily timescales. The breaks, the back tests. So all this, and engulfing. So it's like a break, hook, and go confirmation on Theta Fuel, dude.
Bruh.
It really is. That's confirmed. And so 24 cents would be, I don't know why you would settle for anything less than 24 cents as a target here. This is Theta Fuel. And Theta, you looked at Theta, we looked at earlier. It looks great. KDM, yes, it's normal. The reason is it prevents undesirables from just continuing to come back in when they get banned. So don't get banned on Discord, or you done, dude.
Could you check out that/USDT, average 0.0153 and like the double bottom on the daily?
Still one bottom, two bottoms. On the daily, he says. Yeah, no edge on the daily, really. I mean, tough. I mean, maybe hidden bullish evidence argument, kind of, but it needs Bitcoin, and it's already like if you're talking about a swing trade position trading Vechain, the bus is gone, right? I think it could, if it does catch bids and keeps going, the target's 2.6 cents eventually. But that would require Bitcoin being at much, much, much higher levels, like 30K plus or something for Vechain to hit that third target. So, but I mean, this has all been lined up for you ever since Vet Moonboy returned to the stream for the first time in like 6 months on November 4th. He showed up on the bottom, and it's been insane ever since. He was giving a sign, I guess. That was a good song too. I don't even hear it. Dang, man, it's so quiet. Link's really interesting, man. I mean, it's making a higher low, one low, two. It's almost, it's tough, contradicting, right? Is it a double top, or is it now an ascending triangle? Right, and that was the discussion we had yesterday. One low, a second low that's higher than the previous one, and now we got a higher low again. So it's almost like you got an ascending triangle, maybe a double top here, maybe just range bound. Maybe it's neither. But good to see the higher low. Yeah, hidden bullish divergence is very real. I mean, it is. Wait, no, it's not. It's not actually. From this low to this low, it is real, but from this low, where the histogram is, it's not. So, not easy here, man. The trend is bullish for now, but this one's tough. Just talking about this right here, man. Right, you got the higher lows here, and you got yourself. Right, where traders set it up right there. It's like ascending triangle kind of going on Link, if you can even believe it, man. Though it did look like a double top kind of. Maybe it could have been. It's not yet. That is a way to look at Link. Could be ascending triangle, reversal pattern. I think it's just going to go where Bitcoin goes. If Bitcoin rallies to all-time highs, keeps going, then Link will eventually find its way back up to 1456 again, okay? That's it. That's my last sip of the coffee. Cup of coffee. It's called Desperate Only by Will Vance. Sounds sometimes like XRP live chats. Today, anyway. Extreme emotionalism. I mean, crazy amounts of emotionalism. Big one market cap, 442 billion right now. What kind of coffee do I drink? Irwin.coffee is what I drink. Irwin.coffee. You asked. Oh wow, thanks for the 615 likes. I didn't even notice, man. 624 now. Thanks for the nearly 1,300 people tuned in. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit the like button and bell. So we'll see if we get 700 likes in seconds if y'all wanted. Like literally, it could just be like, burp, 700 likes. My God, dude. Y'all friggin' did it. 712 likes now. Bomb. Thanks a bunch. Really appreciate it.
Check out Pearl, did stuff since last donation ABT at 0.015776111 ETH.
What's up, Paula? Thanks for the $10 worth of Ethereum. Oh yeah, Emperor Head and Shoulders Connect. Right? Or something like it was like rounding stuff. Well, it had a great start, right? But then she could never catch the bids it needed. I don't think any of my work saved, but yeah, it was shifting in momentum. It was higher lows, like 88% retrace from that low from March. Yeah, upside potential. It broke to the upside, hit some high where traders set it up in October 2019, and it's pulled back, and now it's just right at kind of a neckline, like September 29th, October 10th. And November 25th, right? That's the neckline. And so if it can hold and stay above it, you think eventually it could rise back up to 3.7 cents. And if it ever breaks that, well, I think we had done this before. Fibonacci targets, right? Yeah, the Fibonacci targets, the zone anyway. Between 4.4 cents and 6.3 cents. Thinking a perfect target would be where traders settled up at 5.2 cents February of 2020 this year. So that would be the eventual target if the higher lows could continue, right? Higher lows had to continue, and eventually you'll see 5.2 cents again. Okay, that's it, Paulo. Thank you, man. Perlin.
Bruh.
Perlin to Tether. So lots of movement, or I mean lots of tests now of that resistance we're looking at, right? And good news is you've tested it and you're holding above it for now. 3 hours, 13 minutes till close. Since it's tested, anything can happen, right? I mean, like if it's tested and confirmed and holding, then it could run up in the next 3 hours to 23,975 and test the next top, the next little peak there where traders set it up. CME Futures at all-time highs. Let's go, dude. Let's go.
Look here. Look, listen.
I don't know about that though. Bitcoin CME Futures I'm looking at right now, 24,210 is all-time highs, right? Yep. CME Futures 23,845. So you're not at all-time highs actually, right there. What are you talking about? You must be. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm staring at all-time highs on CME Futures. Huh? Big news. Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. Yeah. Mine's delayed though. That's the problem, BitMEX guy. I've got the other one, but look here. Listen, 24,270. This is 10 minutes behind, so I'm not sure. Look left. That was all-time highs back in December 17th, 2017 or whatever. Yeah, I mean, looking at this chart, you certainly are at all-time highs. So, Jesus chimes. Bluebird Jenkins. Jeb Bush.
Please clap.
Sexual chocolate. Pretty wild, man.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
We all know Jeb Bush won this election. Let's be real. Cabot. Of course, you gotta do the That's great though, man. Great. $25,000 you think for Bitcoin futures. There's nothing there. Well, like you're above 24K. You're above 20K. It's like 25K is the target. I mean, like minimum, you know.
9.700334 USDC.
What's up, Unavailable? Thanks for the wow US dollar coin contribution. NOIA. $2 dollar. Hey, well, at least we got some data. Nice. Really nice data. Are you kidding me? Broke its all-time high. Cut with Hendelman, whatever. And measure move hit of whatever structure this was, right? I mean, it's all hindsight now, of course, because it's already broken out. What am I supposed to do? This is the stuff we look for, though, before the breakouts, right? I mean, you know that over and over and over. Nothing would have changed if we were down here. You looked at it very similarly, the same thing maybe. And so look, 100% measure move was hit. It even exceeded it before it dumped. Okay, but now you just got bullish convergence going on without an edge, really. Not much of an edge. It's up 3% right now. I mean, look, it broke a supply line. That's real, right? Broke that supply line. Look at it like that, maybe. Target's probably 29.4 cents. I don't know why it wouldn't, you know. It could run up, make a lower high and dump, but if things go well for Bitcoin, then the target's 29.4 cents. It ever breaks 29.4 cents, 32.9 cents, and then after that, 37 cents. Boom. There's your NOIA. Sounds like a basketball tournament, right? Wasn't that the NIAA, the scrub college basketball tournament, if you don't make the standard tournament? Thank you, unavailable. But yeah, I mean, like, as you saw, the real move's already played out, right? That was crazy, man. And here's the thing, dude, right? It's like a low and then slightly higher lows. Nice convergence here. Looks similar to what Bitcoin was doing in May of 2019. It really, like, just that looks so good, man. Anyway, greatness. I'll see you at 29.4 cents if Bitcoin keeps it up, all right? Big if. True if. Big if true, true if big, or whatever. Or the NIT tournament. What am I thinking? NOIA. Don't even know where I was going with that. Any thoughts on gold? Yeah, colossal sized cup with Hendelman with hidden bullish divergence on the daily for gold. GOLD. Yeah, it looks great. Impending price action, continuation to the upside, where gold, if you're patient, in months' time, couple months would be at all-time highs. That's GOLD. I know, GOLD. Lucky Luke is exactly what I'm talking about. That's why I said GOLD, not gold. I know the ticker, and I know exactly what the chart looks like, and I told you. Weekly cup with handle with hidden bullish divergence on the weekly. That's GOLD, what you're asking for. I'm telling you.
What's up, Mr. Page? Can we
So,
look at
dude.
Trip?
TripAdvisor Connect. I mean, God, dude. It had been killed. Problem is, look what it did. It upthrusted through the ice line and needed to get back above. And it's below it now, unfortunately. But maybe, just maybe, if you're lucky on TripAdvisor, you get a back test of the spring of December 2011's all-time low. You know, you broke above it, let's back test it. Kind of easy to assess your risk there, right? You want nothing to do. We know for a fact, anything below $24 on TripAdvisor is death. Literal death if you fall below $24 on Trip, okay? So if you ever get a back test and hold there, that could be possibly where it reverses to the upside. Because if it doesn't, it's going down to less than $20. Here's Bitcoin, 23,894. Okay. Yes, Barrett Gold or whatever. Yes. If you're a patron, you'd already know this. I pinged everyone on Patreon on the GOLD chart. Yeah. Oh boy. Short's getting liquidated, chat. Highs of the day. 23,926. Just right there. Not 24K yet. Remember the memes for 24K Bitcoin or 24 karat Bitcoin could be back in season already.
Is SXP ready yet?
Dude, I don't know. Is institutional buyers getting into SXP? I know they're not. Are they even getting into XRP or Ethereum? Well, maybe Ethereum. Not on the scale it's happening for Bitcoin. So I don't No hope on the, hold on, man. Forget SXP for a minute, okay, dude? Don't be offended. Because Bitcoin's at its highest level and could just run out of 24K real fast. Nothing's stopping it. I mean, there's no, like... Alright, you scale in and you just see, like, that next top's 23,954. Like, why are you not going to test 23,954? Okay. Great song for this pump to be happening, though. I mean, almost perfectly timed. And if you ever break the, what is that highest level where traders settled up ever on the 4 hour? If you ever break 23,975, you're most likely going to 24.2. Here we go, chat. I freaking knew it, man. It was so head and shoulders, dude. That's woke up to people like screaming. A lot of people just being like, "Is this it? Is this it?" It's like, no, dude. It actually looks like May of 2019. So far too bullish of conditions right now. I mean, it's almost identical to that structure that developed back then.
Yo,
we started the stream
my
with.
son is fan of Mr. ATA and wants to be trader someday. He would be thrilled if you gave him a shout out. His name is Josie. Thanks, man.
Is that a joint?
What's up, Josie? Wow, thank you for watching the stream, and it means a lot. Just if you like me at all, just promise me you'll invest in yourself, and you'll continue to invest in yourself. And the only person you compare yourself to is yourself from yesterday. Don't ever start comparing yourself to other people, because that's how you can get discouraged, and you can lose your motivation. So just do that for me. You do that for a year, come back to me in 365 days and tell me how much better your life is when you invest in yourself and you compare yourself to yourself from yesterday. Boom. Thank you, Josie. And thank you, Ryan, for the 420.
Bruh.
Yeah, nice community. What's up, Matthew D? Litecoin's pumping. Well, yeah, I mean, is it because Litecoin's amazing? No, it's just because Bitcoin is rallying. Litecoin's gonna rally too. But yeah, Litecoin's up 2.2% versus Bitcoin only up being 0.61%. Very good. Is this it, chat? We're gonna be seeing all-time highs again for Christmas. Yeah, there's a supply crisis on Bitcoin. All right, 23,975. You're right at it, man. We're at that high. We're just about to it's about to pop. Right? I mean, that's the highest candle close ever. Hey, you break it, man. Let's see it out. Let's see, man. It's gonna go up 24.1 and then 24.2. Here we go. The world is too effed up. Bitcoin trying to be the savior here. It really has been trying to be that. Oh, I don't know about Hey Song yet, right? We'd have to really get going, man. So, someone call up the Boggs. Pump it. Oh my god. Here we go. 24 karat Bitcoin, chat.
Bruh.
No, we're so close. Bad news, chat. If you're an XRP Moonboy, your assets down 3.24%, while Bitcoin is up again. I don't know, man. I just don't know about that Hey Song yet. Okay, we gotta really start going. All right, start getting close to 24.2. Yeah, sure. We get some.
Hype in the chat!
There you have it, dude. All right, back to 24 karat Bitcoins. Shorts getting liquidated again. Get wrecked. I mean, I got it on cue. I'll just tell you that. I got the the song on cue, the Hey song. Not much selling here, right? Just kind of pull back $15, man, on an asset that's $24,000. Meh, for now. Oh my god, 800 likes? You kidding me? I don't believe it. My god, chat. Thanks for the 800 likes. Thanks for the 1,400-ish people tuned in. And we're just watching Bitcoin break that resistance with candle close confirmation on the last 4-hour candle of the day. And now we've witnessed on the new 4-hour candle of the day a back test of that. That was once resistance is now becoming support. And now, since then, you've rallied to nearly the highest, to the highest level where traders have ever settled up on the 4-hour. Okay, any 4-hour candle close above a price of 23,977 would be history, at least on the 4-hour time scale, which you haven't done, right? There's 3 hours left. 60-minute candle just closed, so you got to break that, man. You break it, really good things could happen. Yeah, like 77 likes in like 7 seconds. Are you kidding me, dude? Thank y'all. Wow. It's been live now, officially. You look on the 8s. Oh my god, man. 2 hours. We've been live 2 hours, chat. Extend the stream, I guess.
Bruh.
I'd hardly call that rejection, man. That's just a pullback, right? You hit $24,000, yeah, psychological resistance. You might have some sellers there. Wow, it's not that crazy. So Machiavelli. Always love the Dr. Evil gifts, man. Discord. Here's the Discord, by the way. Join it. Working on 10,000 members. What are we at right now? Like 9,450 or something. So you could be someone that's in before 10K members on the Discord, dude. Yeah, 9,450. It's huge. Daniel, me too, man. Me too. Very nice, Randy. Yeah, dude, is this us right now? Seriously? On the back test? Oh, sorry. This is us right now on the back test, dude. Alright. Dude, this is so bad. XRP's down 4% now. Chat, it's dumping. It's so sad. I don't understand, like, it's not a big deal, dude. Yes, it is. When does it come to a point where someone who's an XRP moon boy says, dang, dude, this is actually bad news. This is actually terrible. If getting sued by the SEC isn't bad news, nothing is. Nothing's bad then. Confirmation bias, dude. I'm sorry. Here we go, chat. 23,986, very, very close to 24K. And this is just kind of turning it from a normal stream to a price action stream, right? Price action cover stream. We're looking at, we're at critical levels. They're not even that critical because, like, I mean, 24K is not a psychological resistance. Okay, not really. I mean, that's all the zeros are, 24, 25, 26, 27, but dude, this thing's probably going 25K, and then you're talking 26,800 for the 1414 fib extension. Here we are, 24K again, chat, on the dot. Beautiful. Could you believe this? Would you believe me if I told you 3 months ago this is where we would be right now in Bitcoin? You might have believed me, I guess. I didn't know either. I'm just saying, that's a hypothetical. Hey, song on deck, chat. My God. Alright, we gotta play it. It's time. If not now, when are we gonna play it, dude? Right? I mean, y'all wanted it, man. Alright, we're back where we were, chat. We're back where we were just a couple of days ago. Like nothing. So now we gotta pump it up, man. The only way we pump it up is by typing hey in the chat and buying Bitcoin, I guess, right? Just kidding. But it's just doing stuff that it did in May of 2019. Let's go! Wow. I'm struggling, man. Come on, you can do it, Bitcoin. We believe in you.
Bruh. Bruh. Bruh.
Okay. So we're just hanging out, man. Can't really read chat, but it's a bunch of haze, man. Not having the chat. Hey in the chat. I know Raul Paul's happy right now. I know I'm happy right now. I know a lot of y'all are happy right now. Most of y'all are happy right now. Gotta break 24K, man. Which you have already, but gotta get some follow through price action, and that's it. Yeah. Wasn't the best Hey song, right? Because we didn't keep going on price. That's okay, man. Peter Schiff just went all in. Yeah, right, Catterday. Fake news, dude. Mnuchin going in too, man. Everyone's going in, dude. Sorry, it didn't go well. We'll keep an eye on it. We're here, man. We're here. Everything's good. Everything's cool. Everything's calm. Not really calm, but SXP is asked. Someone asked, you know, just trying to look at this, juggling contributions and stuff. I don't know. That lower high kind of sucks. Anything above 76 cents is okay, I guess. But all-time lows, right? No edge here, right? No real edge. I mean, I guess unless you're talking about from this low to this one, you got hidden bullish average, maybe. Kind of tough because the oscillation in between. It definitely looks like some sort of bullish bat or something, right? This is kind of similar to KNC. I'm looking at Bitcoin, chat. Just relax. It's not doing anything. If it does things, we're gonna be right back at Bitcoin. All right. Yeah, this is a bat. It's some sort of maybe bullish bat pattern. Yeah, 886. That's like right there on the dot. Wow. So bullish bat pattern without an edge, right? Not an edge there. So you just gotta wonder. This would be all right if this TA was respected here, right? If this little XABCD was to play out, this is where the reversal would have happened. But I have no idea how much follow through it's gonna get. It's SXP. It hasn't back tested the spring yet. I don't know. I guess very close. Like if you talk about this low right here, it pretty much did back test there. So 886, man. This would be it. 84 cents, or you know what was it when it was there? 81 cents was the PCZ of the bullish bat pattern. And if it ever did play out, I don't know, man. I don't know, right? Target 96 cents and 98 cents. All right, your standard Casey Stubbs targets for a bullish bat up there. That's the target. SXP.
Bruh.
Sorry, Chad, it didn't work. Hey song, it didn't work, unfortunately. An edge, I think, is a combination of variables, but an edge really to me is the oscillators showing me seller exhaustion. I mean, there's this wick too. My God, you know, there's that one little wick there too. I mean, it's interesting. I mean, it's definitely at a point where it's lower risk. It's not like you're buying like up here, you know. We'll see what happens. I mean, probably need some Bitcoin help. Probably don't need Bitcoin crashing or something and failing, right, and dumping. Probably want Bitcoin to go to all-time highs for SXP. Herbert, I literally could never do that. I could never imagine that. Yeah, XRP is down 4%. Right, like, great news on Bitcoin, and then it's like, here's a fart, dude. XRP. Pretty much at its lowest level and continuing to dump. It's oversold, but man, it's really, really startling. I mean, disturbing that what Bitcoin's doing positively on the new day and yesterday. XRP is not catching any bids. That's real bad. That's terrible. Like you just imagine when Bitcoin pulls back for real. What if Bitcoin corrects? I mean, this thing's going to lose 30% of its value in a day that sells off with Bitcoin. My God, Litecoin is not up 10%. You're wrong. It's up 1.5% on the new day. Sorry, XRP. I mean, there's like support down maybe at 34, 35 cents. Maybe you'll see that in time, if you're lucky. Give us a reason to play the Hey song again, Bitcoin. Whoa, so futures getting wrecked based on the Trump tweet. Futures taking a hit across the board. Down, Nasdaq's down 0.38%. S&P mini futures down 0.5%. Top left, and then bottom left, the Dow Jones futures down 0.46%. So, a news-driven catalyst has propagated the sell-off. But look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin says, "I don't give a heck about that, man. No one cares." Or Bitcoin doesn't. What a catalyst, man. Interesting. What Trump tweet? He said he's not signing the bill as it stands now. He says there has to be at least $2,000 per person instead of $600, and need to cut the insane foreign aid stuff. Like, it doesn't make sense to be giving money to all these other countries. No sense made. I agree with that. I mean, call me a bad person for thinking the bill sucks and it's terrible. 5,000 pages of bullcrap. Things hidden in there. It's like, oh yeah, in order to see what's in it, you need to sign it type crap. Oh God, man. Breaking news, dude. Brian Harsin gonna be the head coach at Auburn. RIP. I don't know if really that tweet had anything to do with Bitcoin going up. It could have gone up anyway, you know. It's not really moving much. Like, futures moved pretty significantly in a very short period of time. Bitcoin didn't really go very high, right? I mean, once that happened, so. Just monitoring Bitcoin above a resistance that it broke. It broke it and it's back tested it. It went up, tested 24,000. Too many sell orders up there initially. So you're pulling back and we're going to see if the bids come in to push you right back up. We'll see. I'm just covering some price action now, man. You know, it's like sometimes the streams are request streams, normal streams, right? And then we get price action. Hey, even better, that means I can extend the stream somewhat with the price action with the hype in the chat, you know. No, I mean, I don't know. I mean, the futures just, I don't know why they would respond like that if the futures actually knew what was going to happen. Like, the veto is going to get overridden. You know that, like for sure. So I think the stupid bill that's terrible for America is going to pass anyway. But that's futures, man. They respond like that. Which is crazy. That should tell you the bill's really, really stupid. And there's just a massive amount of outrage, and they're still going to pass it. They're still going to pass it, man. Goes against what everyone wants, but they're going to do it anyway. That's, yeah, go against your constituents. Somehow they all got voted in, right? Yep, XRP's down almost 5% now. It's like Bitcoin pulls back in it. Oh my god, it's so bad for XRP. It just gets hit. So that's what I'm saying. Like, if you ever got a major pullback on Bitcoin now, oh my god, I couldn't imagine what's going to happen to XRP. Yeah, not really, David, but it's at kind of support areas. Yeah, no edge really, though. I agree. Could end up showing daily classic bullish divergence or something. Maybe. Yeah, the DXY up 0.11% today. Wait, no, it says... What the heck? This is down, but it's in green. Yeah, here you go. Your DXY, US dollar. You're catching a rally of some sort. Because it was so oversold. My god. It's trying to hold on to 23,800. I don't know if it's going to hold, though. You got 2 hours, 40 minutes till it confirms what it's going to do. Holding for now, man. False flags, I agree. I don't know how, as an American, you would ever want that bill based on what's happening with the government mandated shutdowns. How you gonna be giving away billions of dollars to other countries? Doesn't make sense. 5,000 pages of legislation. It doesn't make sense. No sense made. It's like an America destroying document. It's like trying to accelerate the destruction of the US dollar as a world reserve currency. That's it. Be sure to join the Discord or be destroyed. Just kidding. There's the Discord link, by the way. Going on 10K members. We're getting there, man. And thanks for the 1,386 people tuned in. Oh my god, we're 26 likes away from 1,000, chat. You know in seconds that could happen, right? That's all up to y'all. In seconds. Oh my god, I'm 12 subscribers away from 39,000 subs on YouTube. 12 away. Are you out there? You hit that sub button yet? Go ahead and do it, man. Let's get over the goal line so we can go and say the road to 40K subs, man. Subcito, thanks, man. Thanks for the sub. Going to moon? What? Not yet, man. Not yet. We gotta break 24K for real. But that's super real. Oh, that's me to 40K first or Bitcoin to 40K first? I mean, there's a chance Bitcoin could be at 40K before I hit 40,000 subs for real. But I don't know though, because like when Bitcoin price accelerates, that's when I get more subs, right? Because more people are looking for it. So it would create a very intense battle if we started getting bids above 24K for real. And I'm talking real ones, not like this. Oh, you went up, you tested it, you pulled back a couple $100. Not that, man. Yeah, I remember being in a race for 10,000. It was either, well, I hit 10,000 subs first, or Bitcoin hit 10,000 first. This was back in summer 2019, or going into it. Ended up winning, I think, right? Just barely. We're just sitting sideways, man. Just, you think it's not a big deal what we're doing, but man, if it can hold this, we got, unfortunately, you're going to have to wait 2 hours, 36 minutes for this. But man, if in 2 hours and 36 minutes, Bitcoin's holding above 27,776, man, that is extreme. I think that's really, really good, really positive price action, making confirmation that what was once resistance is now support. And then hopefully after that we can catch the bids, right? Remember, daily bullish engulfing candle was confirmed yesterday. So let's get the follow the price action and see all-time highs. It's very possible today. It really is very possible. Two hours, 30 minutes live. Let's go, dude. I really would like to know who authored the awful parts of that bill. I don't know, man. Is my sub count broken? I guess no one new sub to the channel, or it's just lagged out or broken. I don't know. Sometimes it does do that. Hard to believe that yeah, like not one new one. Maybe everyone watching is a sub. That's cool too. Oh, by the way, since I'm doing this right now, if you've ever heard of FBC, some stupid algo, it is a scam, and they're trying to steal your money. They spam with tons of bots almost every day my YouTube comments channel. FBC is a scam. If you put your money in FBC, you will lose it. As an influencer, I am influencing you to not ever touch FBC because it's trash and a scam. You'll lose all your money if you touch it, okay? That's what's going to happen to you. Every day, their bots spam my channel. Every day. They're scamming. Can't wait till FBC goes to 0. And then whoever created it goes to jail. That'd be great, dude. That would please me. So spread the word about FBC being a literal, total, and utter scam. Okay, and nothing else. It's not anything but a scam. That's it. Okay, sorry, had to go into that. They wanted clout. They got their clout. There you go, dude. That's the clout I'm giving you. Alright, man. I don't know if I'm going to stick around for 2.5 hours to see where we close, but you get it, right? I mean, hopefully I've left you with what you need, right? And this, anything above 23.776 could be very, very good. We could eventually see 24.2 again, all-time highs. Things looking primed, man. I mean, with the 4-hour MACD histogram where it is about to go neutral to positive, then and combine that with the daily bullish engulfing candle, man, I think that the probabilities increase the Bitcoin's moves coming, like the big one, like up, the markup, right? So Midtown. Thanks, man. I'm just hanging around for a minute, dude. Listen to some good music while we're here, right? Great one. Everything is Wrong by Orbion. Hey, it's the XRP theme song, right? Everything is Wrong.
That boy is good. Good and terrible.
Bruh.
Matthew Retta did an analysis on Riot and Mara today, so you can rewind the stream, check it out. Talked about what targets might be. I mean, where it could be headed. Hanging out, man. Bitcoin's literally sitting there, frozen in time, above a resistance that broke, and that's it, dude. Can't all be hype. Everyone get their Christmas shopping out of the way. We do that. Knock it out. Don't procrastinate, man. Well, if you say no, then you have procrastinated. You better get on that. Get on it, man. Oh, I bet it is, man. I don't need a chart to know that. Man, it's funny seeing people still try to chart XRP to BTC in general chat sometimes, or respect the T. I'm like, why are you even doing that? You're just wasting your time. Like, it's terrible, dude. It's so bad.
XRP BTC Rekt.
Yeah, dude, here you go. Jimmy, thank you for the 10. Wow. There you go. If this keeps up, eventually you think you would see 1191 again, the December 2017 low. This is not the ICO boom of 2017. I think people are getting the misconception with these altcoins, like, oh my god, it's like, no, follow the money. Where's the money going? It's not going into any of these altcoins. No, it's not. It's going to Bitcoin. It's not even going to Ethereum at the level it's going to Bitcoin. Not even close, man. So How do you think any BTC pair can perform well? It just not. It's going to end up making lower highs than its previous highs and dump again. Bear trend continues. Wow, XRP right now is down almost 7%, chat. Get wrecked, man. 7%, dude.
Hey Mitch, good stuff as always. $BBKCF is a long-term crypto stock hold for me. Got in around 12 cents. I know anything can happen, but you see anything I should worry about? 2i is better than 1.
I think it's on its way to 47.6 cents probably. Really, really insane rounding action. The Bulkowski bump, dude. Oh my god, the Bulkowski bump. So yeah, I mean, that's where traders settled up. 47.64 cents. You think you'll probably see that in time. Maybe just tomorrow you'll see it if Bitcoin does something tonight, right? Above that though, man, I have no idea. You can just use Fibonacci, like, I guess. High to low here. And you haven't even made a 23% retrace from the all-time high of the IPO from December 2017. So if it's going to make common retraces, which who knows, 79 cents to 125, that's your common retrace area. That's it. You got to break 40. I think you break 47 cents, you could very well see 79 cents. Easy. There's no support resistance, so.
What music station is this, Mitch? I love this style of music for studying.
It's one of my playlists, Harry. So it's not a station. It's the Mitch Ray TA station, I guess, if you're asking. Thanks, dude. But no surprise, man. You know, I tried to play some piano classical music yesterday, just so people would stop asking what the music is. It's good though, I guess, right? It's a good thing. That's the most common question. What's Bitcoin doing? What's some random S coin doing? And what's the music? Kind of right. Somebody wake Logan up? Nah, man, Logan's not waking up till we break all-time highs, so. You got some selling coming in. What about XRP? Just getting wrecked, dude. Look left. What's going on left? Nothing. Nothing's going on left. There's no real support here. Like, you broke all the support, dude. All of it. Everything's been broken on XRP. I think you should eventually see like 39 cents, 35 cents, 34 cents, right? I mean, I think it's got a lot further to go down. Just looking left at history. Doesn't look like the selling's done yet on this asset, XRP, getting sued by the SEC. And don't let anyone fool you. Getting sued by the SEC is a big deal. It's not a joke. It's not a good thing. Some people that are delusional will tell you that this is a good thing or it's not a bad thing. It's definitely a bad thing. You're out of your mind if you think this is a good thing or not a big deal. Okay? Whatever. So we're back below that resistance, man. You know what's going on. Up and down. 2 hours, 25 minutes until the 4-hour candle close. Let's see if we can get a close above 23,776. Could be kings. Thank you so much for the likes, love, support, contributions. Thanks for the 1,200 still here. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub on the way out. Join the Discord. Until next time, respect the TA.
Bruh.
See what happens, Larry?
My name is JP. I am a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
I have some evidence Man Bear Pig could be in this area.
And then, just like that,
Adios, turd nuggets.
XRP. Price gonna dip.
Adios, turd nuggets.